Welcome to the Hustle Wing podcast. Today we are joined by Joe Wright, the founder and CEO of VideoMarket.Center. He's going to chat to us today about his company a little bit. We're going to get to know him and just have a nice time. So thank you so much for joining us today, Joe. How are you doing?
I'm good, Izzy. Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Awesome. Yeah. So, talk to me. What is Video Market Center?
So, the Video Marketing Center really is an interesting video delivery tool. It's not about video creation, even though we
Okay.
have some AI video creation elements to our platform.
Yeah.
It's really about streamlining the delivery of multiple product videos
Mm-hmm.
through the channel and enabling channel partners to actually sell your products all the way down to the street level.
Mm.
And so it's really a premium delivery tool
Okay.
where products get loaded. And when you load a video, everybody uses YouTube, even the hustling guys, right?
Yeah.
Because it's free and you kind of get what you pay for. The problem when you go to YouTube is you get distracted with other
All
video
the other stuff.
content.
Yeah.
Our platform kind of eliminates that and keeps in the B2B space. There's some B2C applications,
Okay.
but largely B2B. And so what we're doing is when a video gets loaded into our platform, you
Mm-hmm.
also can add up to 4 documents that go with that video, no matter where that video gets distributed.
Ah.
So that's part one. Part two is I could load unlimited amounts of videos, and I can then create what we call campaigns. Let's say I had a sales call and I want to follow up with you,
Yeah.
and we just talked about 4 product solutions that would be right for your business.
Mm-hmm.
We log into the Video Marketing Center, the sales team does. I can then add a couple lines of copy about what we talked about.
Yeah.
I can then select the videos that are of interest to you, the products,
Mm-hmm.
if you will, and I
Okay.
hit publish, and I dynamically generate a multimedia player on the fly with a
Oh,
link, a QR code, and all the web code. I
okay.
could email that to you and say, Izzy, it was great talking to you. Here's all of the products that we discussed that we think are good for your business.
Yeah.
You hit the link, you get all of the content, you get the videos with all the collateral.
Hmm.
Um, I can co-brand it if I have a channel partner, so it could be given to my channel partner to send to the end buyers. I could
Okay.
add training modules at the end of the videos, which is all included in the platform. I
Yeah.
could add surveys or polling, lead
Oh,
generation
wow.
forms, links
Uh-huh.
for you to add a proposal, and it all can be done in 2 to 3 minutes. I literally could create a video landing page, if you will, with
Yeah.
100 videos, 400 pieces of collateral, proposals, all the contact information in 3 to 4 minutes.
Wow.
And it's all fully tracked.
Okay, that's
So if
cool.
I'm the sales guy and I send it to you, I can then log in and click on the link, the campaign, and
Yeah.
see what products you looked at.
Mm-hmm.
And or if you didn't look at anything, I'll know that as well. So
Yeah.
it's super fast,
Awesome.
super efficient, and it connects those dots from manufacturer all the
Yeah.
way through distributor to channel partners, resellers, down to the end buyer seamlessly. That's what the
Yeah.
Video Marketing Center does. It's extremely powerful.
Yeah, definitely. I love that it's so like efficient. And I know myself, I'm not a reader. So when I get those long emails like thank you so much for the call, blah blah blah, I'm like, okay.
Well,
So it'd be
we've
nice
become
to have a
we're a
video.
video culture, right?
Yeah.
And if you start to look at your younger, Gen Zs and to millennials, they don't want to talk to a sales rep anymore
Yeah,
unless
that's true.
they have to.
Unless they have to.
And so this is a mechanism that allows businesses to consolidate everything.
Mm.
Uh, it's not, and you're not clicking through; you're pulling to.
Yeah.
So here,
Ooh.
if you have a widget, a video marketing center placed on your website, you're not linking out.
Yeah.
You're pulling the information to you and very quickly through the cloud, and it keeps your buyer highly focused.
Yeah.
I could watch it. I give a simple example is let's say you were shopping for a new
Okay.
refrigerator today,
Yeah.
and you had 8 refrigerators that you were considering.
Mm-hmm.
What would you do? Well, you'd go to the website,
Mm-hmm.
you'd watch maybe a video, read the specs, click to
Yeah.
the next page. Okay, come back, go to somebody else's page,
Mm.
come back. With us,
and
you
then
literally
compare that
go click, watch. Oh, I don't like that one. Go to the next one. Click, watch. I like it.
way.
Oh, here's the spec sheet. Will that fit in my kitchen? No.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Oh, I love it. Okay, fine. I like it. The specs are there. Click to buy. Boom. Go to the e-commerce site and buy. I mean, it's all
Okay.
tight, super fast,
Yeah.
super efficient. Um, it really streamlines everything. So,
Yeah.
uh,
Awesome.
yeah,
That's
that's what
really
we do.
cool.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I love it. I love that you, yeah, I love the efficiency. Like I said, you had me at video. So
Yeah. Yeah, now I need you at delivery. So,
all right, cool. So when did you start VMC?
so I'm going to give you two answers. Pre-pandemic, I had a 1.0 version of it,
Okay.
and we still do a fair amount of iPad sales enablement apps for people.
Okay.
But imagine if you had an iPad app and the pandemic hit that you were using for face-to-face selling. Not very effective.
Yeah.
And I had the 1.0 of the Video Marketing Center, which is really more of an outbound communication
Okay.
tool. Like Cherry, I can decide what I want to send you when I want to send you and make it fast, efficient, and
Yeah.
get my collateral out there with a supporting video.
Yeah.
So we dusted it off. So in 2021, I spun it into VMCglobal.io, which is its own entity, which is the
Mm-hmm.
company who owns the Video Marketing Center now.
Okay.
We raised a few $100,000 and up the game, up the platform significantly.
Yeah.
And so November of 2021, we relaunched the actual product into its own company. So
Okay.
that's
Awesome.
where that's at. So yeah, so technically since November of 2021 with our new and improved model.
Awesome. Awesome. You'd be surprised how many people have answered the question that way, like the same way you did, that it was pre-pandemic, it was this, and
Yeah.
post-pandemic, we
Yeah.
had to pivot. So I like to think that like a whole new world started after the pandemic because everything changed after that.
No, and I think you're right because it called for it's called for if whether you get through the quiet quitters who changed the world down to what they now are calling coffee badges. I don't know if you've heard of that yet.
No.
These are kids. I'm saying people who of all ages who
Yeah.
don't want to go back to work to the
Yes.
office. They don't want to go to the
Mm.
office. So
Yeah.
what they're doing, they're calling it coffee badging, and what they're doing is they're showing up to work because they're told to. They're
Mm-hmm.
grabbing a cup of coffee, walking around, talking to everyone,
Okay.
and then they're going home.
Okay.
Okay, they're leaving, and it's
Uh-huh.
called coffee badging. So what they're doing is, hey, did you see Izzy earlier today? Yeah, I saw Izzy this morning.
Ah.
Oh yeah, because Izzy grabbed her coffee, went through, showed her face to everybody that mattered,
Yeah.
and then she snuck out back home to finish her job.
That is sneaky.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so I don't want anybody doing coffee badging for those that would
No.
have to come into the office, but just for the record, just saying it right up front. I'm on to you. No. Isn't that crazy?
I'd never even thought of that. Like, it's never even crossed my mind. If I'm at work, I'm at work.
Yeah, I mean, that's called being a responsible adult, but that.
People are risky, okay?
But at the same time, though, I think to be fair, right, we have to be cognizant of the making sure that you know people are compatible with
Yeah,
the work environment and you
definitely.
know but create a good work they call it work life balance. But yeah, I mean it's important. Um,
Yeah,
you have to be. I've always prided myself in remaking myself over the years.
yeah.
I started in printing, then I started an ad
Oh,
agency, even though I never worked in one.
okay.
And then I went down the tech path, and
Uh-huh.
I mean, I'm not a tech guy. I'm a marketing guy and sales guy.
Okay.
I'm not a tech
Yeah.
guy, even though I own a tech company. So
Yes.
that's why our video marketing center has solved problems because I looked at it from a completely different perspective.
Yeah, yeah. That's
How do you
interesting.
sell properly and efficiently?
Hmm.
And that's
Yeah.
what we've done in this product
Awesome.
roadmap. We have a super strong product roadmap.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, honestly, if you speak to a lot of people that do a lot of online shopping, like if I chat to my friends and stuff, and I'm an online shopper, avid
Yeah.
online shopper, I'll always like, not a lot of products have videos, but when the reviews come in, they always have videos. So I'll always scroll to the bottom and I'll check the reviews and watch the videos there because I want to see how it is like in a real life setting. So
No,
you
but that's
really touched
exactly right.
on.
So think about it from this standpoint. If the process that you go through to consume that video,
Yeah.
it's time consuming,
It's long. Yeah,
and
definitely.
because you got to find and navigate with this
Mm-hmm.
platform, whether
It's
it's
right
B2B or
there.
B2C, it's all right there.
Yeah.
It's fast, it's
Awesome.
super efficient,
Yeah.
and you can consume that information really quickly as either a buyer or consumer, whatever
Mm-hmm.
your methodology is. But it saves you time also.
Yeah, definitely.
So that's why
Awesome.
it's been frustrating from one perspective because everybody's so used to doing things
Mm,
the way they do them today,
yeah.
and this is so different that
Takes a while to get
sometimes
used
those
to.
dots don't always connect right away,
Yeah. Yeah.
you know, until they see it, and then they go,
Mm,
oh, they have to experience it. Once they experience it, they get it.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
it's just kind
definitely.
of it's an education process for me to get the market to
To
fully
understand.
adopt it. But once
Yeah.
as they have been adopting it, the scale, we're starting to clip along at a really nice pace now. So it's good.
Nice. Okay. Okay. So, what are some of the challenges that you guys are facing at Video Marketing Center?
I would say that it's the same for as a lot of people is getting in front of enough buyers, the right
Yeah.
buyers, consistently,
Yeah.
efficiently. Um, I think we've uncovered our secret sauce in terms of conquering that,
Oh,
but
good.
that still takes money and time and
Yeah.
people, and so it's getting that. The messaging has been difficult from the
Mm,
perspective that as a founder, you're so close to it, right? And so
yeah.
I see it, but I have to message it so other people get it.
Yeah.
And so that's always a challenge.
Yeah.
That part's been tough. But
Yeah,
once people
definitely.
get it, they're locked in. There's no
Mm,
challenging it at that point.
yeah, definitely. I hear you. It is a challenge trying to get people to understand. And, disruptors normally have that challenge. Like, if you're trying to change the game and people have been playing it for so long, it's so hard to be like, there's an easier way to do
Right, right,
it.
right. That's exactly right. It's like just slow down. Like I had a call yesterday, and the guy's like, "So you guys produce video?" And I'm like, "No, we
Mm,
deliver it
yeah.
more efficiently, but sometimes because video is in the name,
Mm,
it gives a misconception.
yeah,
So it's really
definitely.
a highly scalable channel enablement platform.
Yeah. But
But
that's a bit of a
channel
mouthful.
enablement only means something to people who are in channel.
Oh,
So
yeah.
yeah,
Trying to find the right words. I hear you.
right. It's like depending on who we talk to, I think I need to redo the website and say, identify yourself. Are you a distributor, manufacturer, e-commerce platform, an
Consumer.
association, a university, a non-for-profit organization? Click here and then
Mm,
speak to them in their
in
because
their language.
at the end of the day, we're just not just we are a delivery tool.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I use this is not a perfect example, but I'll use a simple example of Microsoft Word. Every
Yeah.
business can use Microsoft Word.
That's true.
It's a
That's
blank
true.
piece of paper,
Yeah.
right? I'm a
So now
blank
how do you?
video shell.
Yeah.
Uh, it doesn't matter who you are or what business you're in. I'm
Mm,
I deliver it better and more
yeah.
control.
Yeah.
So, but how do you get that out? People that really blows their mind, so they don't understand that at all. And so you go back to creating industry solutions.
Yeah. You got to use their words.
You have to, exactly. You have to use their words. That's exactly
Yeah.
right.
All
So that's
right.
that's my challenge.
Yeah, awesome. So then, yeah, what sort of assistance would you need from our community then?
Well, I don't know that much about your community, but
Mm.
if you know, as we finish our next raise shortly and start to hire people, this is a
Yeah.
global product. So I
Yes.
already
Yeah.
have customers in a few parts of the globe.
Okay.
Uh, so understanding uh, and scaling in other countries and languages that I'm not proficient in at all.
Yeah.
I'm not just interested in being a English speaking country product.
Yeah.
Uh,
Definitely.
our video can be communicated in
Any
hundreds of
language.
languages,
Yeah.
and we're just delivering it, right? So, but good quality talent,
Hmm.
responsible people that are looking to be part of something that and I'm convinced is has an opportunity to become the standard in communication for video
Yeah.
content. It's not going to
Yeah.
be the end all be all that for everybody, but I think we could pick up a large uh, uh, a large amount of clients because of
Yeah.
the ease of use.
Yeah.
And so,
Because it crosses industries, it
I need
crosses
good smart
languages, it
people. I
crosses
need good
everything.
smart people. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Cool. Well, then, thank you so much for your time, Joe. Thank you for taking the time to explain, VMC to us and, making sure that I get it. Because honestly, you're right. When you say video, people also automatically think that you create the video, you're the
Right.
content, and you're just the shell, like you said. So,
Yeah, we're the
I
delivery,
appreciate,
a
yeah, you're
premium
the,
delivery tool with collateral and
yeah.
training and surveys and polling and all
Yeah.
the other
And the
stuff,
sky's
lead
the limit,
forms.
right? Like you could just use it for anything, everything.
Yeah, well, one group uses it to promote their sponsors as opposed to a logo on their website.
Ooh. Yeah. See? Yeah. That's so cool. See, yeah, the possibilities are truly endless. So you definitely need people that can think outside the box when they're pitching people. Like I see that. Awesome. Yeah. Cool. Well, thank you again for your time, Joe. I wish you all the best in your endeavors. I can't wait to, see where VMC ends up. And yeah, happy holidays. Thank you. Have a nice day.